The eternal lure of gold, a tale from stars to stock markets. Gather round, friends, for a tale as old as the stars, a story of gold, the shimmering metal that's driven humanity to obsession since time began. Billions of years ago, gold was forged in the fiery chaos of colliding neutron stars, hurled across the cosmos to a young Earth via meteorite bombardments locked deep in the planet's core and scattered sparingly in its crust. Mere 0.0031 parts per million. Gold is rarer than platinum. All the gold humans have ever mined, some 205,000 tons, would fit in a cube just 22 meters wide, smaller than an Olympic pool. Its scarcity fuels its mystique, shaping empires, economies, and dreams. Our saga starts in ancient times around 4000 BC. Sumerians in Mesopotamia crafted gold jewelry, tying it to their sun god. Egyptians by 3000 BC buried pharaohs like Tutankhamun in golden masks, believing it secured immortality. In Lydia, around 600 BC, the first coins of Electrum, a gold-silver alloy, sparked the idea of money. Julius Caesar paid his legions with gold looted from Gaul, spreading its allure. But gold's true frenzy came with the promise of instant riches, the gold rushes. Picture January 1848, Sutter's Mill, California. James Marshall spots gold flecks in a stream, igniting a firestorm. By 1849, over 40,000 49ers, part of an eventual 300,000, flood the Sierra Nevada from China, Mexico, and beyond. Braving perilous journeys, San Francisco balloons from 200 souls to 36,000. Levi Strauss outfits miners with denim fortunes, yet shadows loom. Native Americans face displacement and slaughter. Chinese miners endure discriminatory taxes, and hydraulic mining chokes rivers with silt, ravaging ecosystems. The rush pumps billions into the U.S., birthing California's statehood in 1850. The fever spreads globally. In 1851, Australia's Victorian gold rush lures 500,000 to Ballarat and Bendigo, tripling the population and building Melbourne. The massive Halterman nugget dazzles at nearly 200 pounds. In 1896, Canada's Klondike sees 100,000 brave Yukon blizzards. Only 30,000 reach the fields, few striking rich. South Africa's 1886 Witwatersrand rush births Johannesburg, but deep mines exploit black laborers brutally. Since 1848, these rushes boost global gold supply by over 90%, fueling trade but leaving scarred lands and ghost towns. Now plunge into mining's gritty heart. Early prospectors panned streams using gold's density 19 times water's to separate it via sluices or rockers. As surface gold vanished, hard rock mining dug deep, blasting quartz veins in mile-deep shafts. Today, open-pit mines like Nevada's Carl Trend carve city-sized craters, leaching low-grade ore 1 gram per ton with cyanide. Artisanal miners in Africa and South Africa use mercury, risking cave-ins and poisoning rivers, impacting millions. Mining devastates 27,333 hectares deforested, water tainted with cyanide and emissions from heavy machinery. In Peru's Amazon, illegal operations release mercury, harming fish and humans, yet hope glimmers. Fair mined gold and e-waste recycling reduce harm. Why the obsession? Gold's properties dazzle. 1 ounce stretches into a 300 square foot sheet or a 50-mile wire. It resists corrosion, conducts better than copper, and reflects infrared. Jewelry claims 50% of demand, tech 10%. Think smartphone circuits, satellite shields, medical stents, even astronaut visors blocking UV. Oceans hold 20 million tons, but extracting it's a pipe dream at 10 parts per quadrillion. From dental fillings to edible gold leaf, its uses are endless. Economically, gold is a titan. The UK formalized the gold standard in 1816, the US in 1879, tying currencies to its stability. The Great Depression forced its suspension in 1933. Nixon ended dollar convertibility in 1971. Gold shines in crisis. Prices surged in 2008 and 2020. Central banks hoard it. Fort Knox holds 46,000 tons, worth billions. In markets, trade futures on COMEX or buy ETFs like Spider, Gold shares, mining stocks, Newmont, Barrick amplify price swings but carry risks. Gold hedges inflation, balancing portfolios. Buying gold, it's accessible. Get coins, American Eagles, or bars from dealers like APMEX. Store in vaults. ETFs via Vanguard are liquid. Miss no dividends, true, but it holds value. Too risky, less volatile than stocks long term. Gold's lore sparkles. King Midas's golden touch cursed him. El Dorado drove conquistadors to ruin. Alchemist chased transmutation. Modern physics does it expensively. From Pirates of the Caribbean's cursed gold to Wagner's Rheingold, it's a symbol of desire and doom. Looking ahead, Earth's 50,000 tons dwindle. Asteroids like Psyche, eyed by NASA, hold trillions in metals. Deep sea nodules tempt if we can mine sustainably. Gold's saga, from cosmic birth to human ambition, endures, reminding us that true wealth lies in its stories. Gold isn't just history, it's still writing it, climbing to new all-time highs as the world keeps chasing its eternal shine.